choosing between Slack and Microsoft Teams, the two corporate giants battling for your digital workspace. But which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Slack is sleek, intuitive, and built with startups in mind. It's like the cool kid in class, custom emojis, channels galore, and app integrations that actually make your life easier. Need to connect with Trello, Google Drive, and Zoom? Slack's on it with over 2,400 integrations. Now with Microsoft Teams. Think of it as Slack's older sibling who works in HR. It's tied with Office 365, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all baked in. Collaboration is seamless if you live in Microsoft's world. Performance, Slack is snappier, but Teams wins in video calls and built-in productivity tools. Plus, if your company is already on Microsoft 365, Teams is practically free. Slack has 2,000 plus app integrations from Google Drive to Jira with customization that tech teams love. But Team brings native video calling, file sharing, calendars, and even document co editing right out of the box. No extra setup needed. Is the pricing and value. Slack's free tier is solid for small teams, but once you need advanced features, it gets pricey. Microsoft Teams, if you're already paying for Microsoft 365, Teams is basically included. Big value if you're already in the ecosystem. So, which is actually better? If you're a fast moving startup or dev team, Slack's flexibility wins. But for larger organizations already on Microsoft 365, Teams just make sense. It's not about better or worse, it's about what fits your workflow. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!